on the 951 Yamaha out of Sacramento, California, sponsored by the Ski Clinic, DK1 Designs, Optima Racing, Toronto Tile, Tracy Cobble Photography, and David Stewart's in close. Norm Yee, we call him Storm and Norman. And rounding out the field on the 116, Jim Moreland. Excuse me, Jack Arlick and Arlick on the way outside of the HX. Can he make it stick? Nope, slow down. Norm Yee out front, Storm and Norman. I'll tell you what, when Norm Yee gets out front, watch how he works this boat. This guy reminds me in all the best ways of a ballet dancer. He is so smooth on this boat. Absolutely fantastic. He is textbook on how to ride a personal watercraft smoothly and quickly. Norm Yee on that 951 Yamaha. Out in front, loud and proud. Behind him, Jack Arlick on the HX. Arlick trying to get keeping the HX hooked up out here. This could be good for him. Tomsky, Tomatsu Yamamoto, having issues today. He is normally out front in every race, and here he is in third position. Not the normal place that we're used to seeing Tomsky. Arlick trying to move that HX, cut through those corners, gets up from Norm Yee. It's going to be a tough situation for him. Up next, Fast Stand. We need all the riders on the dock. I'm not seeing you guys down there. I see one racer from Fast Stands down there. Jeff Trogdon, Pete Zernick, Ian Roberts, Thomas Pigeon, and Jeremy Dixon. You should be on the dock right now. Arlick's got his hands full. Norm Yee's going to pull ahead, but here comes Tomatsu Yamamoto, Tomsky. And Tomsky doing everything he can, trying to keep that blaster hooked up long enough to catch up to the HX. Not being easy to do in these water conditions. Tomsky just fighting that boat today, I'll tell you. Almost hit a buoy. Did a great job to keep his balance and get around the thing without hitting it. Out front, Norm Yee. Mr. Smooth. Storm and Norman. Radical talent, radical machine. Fast Stands for MGP. You should be on the dock right now. Once again, our thanks go out to the city of Sassoon. We appreciate you having us back, and you're enjoying the racing. White flag, final lap to go. Norm Yee continuing to lead. Second position on the 8-6, Jack Arlick. And in third spot, Tomatsu Yamamoto, Tomsky. Got to be married about this time next week. Not sure exactly what time, because, well, I didn't get an invitation. I know. Everybody else is looking. I don't know why. I got mine. right, folks, as he comes through, put your hands together. You're one, if you will. The 951 of Norm Yee. Storming Norman. The Normeister, Norma Malicious.